how to enable app lock on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable app lock on Android phone. First, then open settings and then scroll down until you find this one here. Scroll down until you find security, and here we'll find app lock, and here you can enable it, or you can just type here app lock and click on it and then click enable. Now just select any password you want, like lock screen password or custom pin, and then type your password, app lock password, and type it again, and just type here anything you want, like test it, and then click finish. And that's it. Then you can just cancel this one if you want, and now just select any app you want, and you can lock it. And then if you want to disable it, just click here and click disable. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.